Plenty of people are betting on Nvidia, but who is Nvidia betting on? Well, filings last week revealed that the chip giant had taken a $3.7 million stake in SoundHound AI, a provider of smart voice assistant software. The announcement sent shares up 66%, and SoundHound shares have more than doubled in the month of February, as you see there, month to date, up 120%. Joining us now is the happy CEO of SoundHound AI, Keyvan Mohajer. Keyvan, welcome. Good to have you with us.
Thank you for having me.
So that little move in the stock must hearten you as the CEO of this company?
Well, we are focused on the value creation, the long-term value creation, but it's great to have the right the attention that we deserve. We've been at this for almost 20 years and building a lot of foundation in our technology.
How did this stake by Nvidia come about? How does that happen? Do they call you and say, we're going to take a position in your company? Do you, what is the behind the scenes part of that, if there is?
Well, we've known Nvidia for a number of years, and they've been a great ally and shareholder in our company for a number of years. And if you think about it, they are in AI, but they are building the foundation and infrastructure for AI, and SoundHound is putting that infrastructure into really good use with our voice AI and conversational AI technology.
Imagine waking up to discover that a mere $3.7 million investment turned into a windfall, yielding a staggering 147% return in just a matter of months. This is exactly what Nvidia achieved by strategically backing a suite of AI companies, including a promising startup that goes by the name SoundHound AI. With tantalizing prospects and a tech portfolio that outshines its competitors, SoundHound AI is making waves in the stock market. And guess what? The best might be yet to come. If you thought a 147% return was impressive, some analysts are hinting that this AI gem could see its value increase by another 1,000% over the long term. Intrigued? Let's dig deeper into why Nvidia's faith in SoundHound AI might just be the golden ticket every investor dreams of. Welcome back, everyone, to Investocracy.
The kinds of it's fascinating stuff. Your products are in kind of two areas. One is customer service. In other words, if I go to a Dunkin' Donuts or a Krispy Kreme or whatever, a Jersey Mike's, and there's an outdoor automated ordering thing, it listens to my voice and says, I want the number 7 with no onions and extra cheese, right? That's what it does. And then the other thing is it enables me in my automobile, for example, or in my home to tell an appliance or a car what to do. Am I right on that? Is that what you do?
Yes, tremendous opportunities in AI, but at SoundHound, we made 2 predictions, and we're focusing on those predictions. One is that AI customer service will be as essential for every business as Wi-Fi and electricity. So you create your business, you sign up for a website, you sign up for Wi-Fi, you sign up for electricity, you sign up for AI. And we specialize in that. And then the second prediction is that we will prefer talking to devices than other forms of interface.
If you tell me that, I'm going to believe, and I'm going to hold you to it, because often when I talk to my device, the person on the other end, whether it's Siri or whether it's Alexa or it's these poor women, I mean, answering all these questions, they don't get it right half the time. You're going to get it righter?
Well, it's changed in the last year or so. Thanks to generative AI, the quality of this is so much better. Yes, and people prefer voice if it works, right? So
if it works, I prefer it.
I have a 3-year-old daughter. She knows how to speak, but I still have to teach her how to type and use a mouse and a keyboard. But she goes around the house and talks to everything, and not everything talks back to it, right? But
she talks to the refrigerator. She talks to the dishwasher. Whatever.
Yes. Well, fortunately for the device makers, they could afford to put a very small, inexpensive microphone and enable their devices. It doesn't take that much to add voice to their products.
Yeah.
Driving headlong into the bustling world of AI, let's talk about SoundHound AI, a company that's putting real muscle behind voice command technologies. Founded over a decade ago, SoundHound AI has been quietly building an empire, amassing over 200 patents and a host of high-profile clients, including a 7-year contract with none other than Hyundai. Imagine chatting with your car, not just for directions or toggling the air conditioning, but for anything from scheduling maintenance to discussing vehicle performance. That's the kind of futuristic tech SoundHound AI is bringing to market today. For starters, consider the impact of SoundHound AI's technology in the hospitality and quick service restaurant sectors. Take Applebee's and White Castle, which are piloting SoundHound AI's technology to streamline order times and cut down operational costs. One might joke, soon, even the burger flippers might start talking back at the drive-thru. But in all seriousness, this advancement underscores how integral SoundHound AI's technology is becoming across multiple industries. It's not just about convenience. It's a revolutionary shift in how we interact with machines, making those interactions more intuitive and efficient. Furthermore, SoundHound AI's market cap remains under $2 billion, but its potential end markets certainly support a higher valuation. According to the company's management, the voice AI market has a total addressable market size of at least $140 billion. Even more striking is Nvidia's massive vote of confidence, an endorsement that has steered SoundHound AI towards relevance and credibility in a space inundated with competitors. But before we go any further, if you want to keep up with Nvidia's latest updates and keep up with the stock market's latest news, you can follow our Twitter account. We post multiple times daily about the biggest changes and catalysts in the market, so click the follow button if you don't want to miss the newest market updates.
Jim, I mean, you had some great interviews last night. I know we'll play some excerpts, whether it's from Hock Tan or Renee Haas, but what's the chatter given our endless conversation about AI? And, you know, I would assume it's the same out there.
It's about who needs Jensen and who doesn't. I mean, if you need Jensen, you're in trouble and you're worried about allocation. And if you don't need Jensen, well, you know what? Then you have a pretty good run of the place. Hock Tan does not need Jensen. He does not need Jensen Huang. He does not need to make it so that he gets Blackwell. But David, you know, we keep thinking about that little piece that you ran yesterday, where you had Larry Ellison talk about how he needs to get right with Jensen. That is the real subject of discussion. Oracle's resurgence from a 2% grower to something far bigger. Why? They've got it right with Jensen.
Yeah, Ellison now number 2 on the world's richest list. Dethrones Bezos, catching up to Elon Musk. Certainly Oracle up 20% in a month will help that.
Data makes the case stronger. Over the past 2 years, SoundHound AI's revenue has seen a surge of over 150%. If it can sustain such growth, the company's shares would be valued between 5 and 6 times 2026 revenue, bringing it into a much more digestible valuation range for diligent investors. This could make the difference in an industry where timing and market position are crucial for long-term success. However, not all that glitters is gold, as the saying goes. Despite the rosy picture, SoundHound AI has its set of challenges. It continues to be unprofitable and frequently finds itself needing additional financing to stay operational. Last year, it slashed research and development spending by 30% to $56 million, a stark contrast to the billions being funneled into AI by industry giants like Apple and Alphabet. This raises the question of whether SoundHound AI can compete sustainably in the long run. Beyond the financial metrics and market analyses, it is also essential to understand the underlying technology that sets SoundHound AI apart. Their Houndify platform, a highly advanced voice AI platform, has been at the center of this technological revolution. Leveraging machine learning algorithms and vast datasets, Houndify provides incredibly accurate and context-aware voice recognition. This technology is not only revolutionizing consumer applications, but also finding groundbreaking implementations in enterprise solutions. Take a closer look at how Houndify is transforming customer experiences. For example, it can help a user interact with smart home devices, streamline office tasks by integrating with productivity tools, and even enhance accessibility for people with disabilities. Its applications are as diverse as they are innovative. Moreover, SoundHound AI is making significant strides in improving language processing capabilities, allowing for more natural and fluid interactions between humans and machines. This makes the technology not just practical, but also truly transformative. But before going any further, if you made it this far into the video, thank you. These videos take a lot of effort and time to make, so if you enjoyed them, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This goes a long way in helping us grow. That said, back to the video.
Well, we're talking about energy, about this new industry called AI factories and artificial intelligence. And obviously, we're at the beginning of a new industrial revolution. And this industry is going to be producing intelligence. And what it takes is energy and, of course, a lot of great computer science and large computing systems that NVIDIA makes. And so we've got to make sure that everybody understands the needs coming, the opportunities of it, the challenges of it, and do it in the most efficient and scalable way we can.
Absolutely. Do you see the need for a federal role here in terms of federal investment in combination with private investment? Well,
there's probably going to have to be public-private collaboration in this area because the rate of growth is really quite high. Although artificial intelligence consumes a lot of energy to train, it also saves a lot of energy when you consume it. Because ultimately, it's not about training the model, it's about using the model. And whether it's in healthcare or climate technology or just running the power grid, artificial intelligence has the opportunity to really save a ton of energy. And so I think people are grappling with the scale of the opportunity ahead, and of course the scale of the challenges ahead. And so it's going to require public and private collaboration.
In summing up, SoundHound AI presents a compelling narrative for investors seeking substantial growth. While no investment is without risks, especially in the saturated AI market, the combination of Nvidia's backing, a robust portfolio, and sound technological prowess sets SoundHound AI a notch above many of its competitors. Its significant contracts and rising adoption across industries underscore its potential to scale and ultimately achieve that elusive $20 billion valuation. As it stands, SoundHound AI's market position is ripe for growth, and forecasts suggest the company is heading towards major breakthroughs. The stock, while currently trading at a relatively modest price, is expected to rally as the company hits its stride in terms of revenue and market share. So, what do you think? Is SoundHound AI the next big thing in AI investments, or do you see the looming risks outweighing the potential rewards? Your thoughts could be crucial as we navigate this fascinating landscape of artificial intelligence and investment opportunities. Drop your opinions below. We would love to hear what fellow investors and tech enthusiasts think about this promising yet risky venture. And finally, if you would like to know what companies like Nvidia have been up to these past few days, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. See you there.